I'm going to show you the steps for creating your own Big Ideas Math account, which we will be using in this course to complete your assignments, and you can also access for resources. Now, since we are setting up our account, you won't be able to log in. So what you will want to do is click on New to Big Ideas Math. And it will ask you for your access code. So you have been provided an access code. You can find it on the document that I posted on Schoology. I have done a copy paste, or I am pasting, I have copied it. If it is not the year or the fall 2020, you will have a different access code than this, and press next. And then you will type your first name and your last name. Please use the name that you will want me to call you in class so that I can recognize who it is that I am seeing when I go through and I see who has completed assignments. I am going to create an account for me, so I'm going to put Mrs. for first name, and I'm going to put Scarpel for last name. And I'm going to create my own password. Now, it's important that you choose a password that you will remember, because I will not ever be able to look up your password. If you ever have to reset your password, what will happen is Big Ideas Math will send me a temporary password that I will then have to forward on to you. So please, when you create a password, either make sure it's one you will definitely remember, or at least write it down and keep it in a secure location. So we need to have 3 of the following: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a special character, and a number. So I am just going to create my password here. And use your actual student ID for school. Now, because I am not a student in DPS, I will have a different number that I'm going to enter in here, but you will use your DPS student ID. And it says that I did not enter my password correctly the second time. So let's try this again. There we go. And it is setting up my dashboard. Now, you will see that you get a screen that says what your username is. You definitely need to write this down, because it's not going to be like any other username you use at school. It is generally your first initial, last name, followed by some numbers. So go ahead, write that down, and then you can click on Log In. So I am going to log in using the information I just wrote down and the password I just created. And evidently I just entered it wrong, because it did not let me in. And there we go. You now have a dashboard. In another video, I will walk you through what the different aspects of Big Ideas Math website is, but for now, you have created an account and you should be in Big Ideas Math website.